Good morning, everybody. Okay, I'm taking an overnight bus from Cusco to Puerto Maldonado, and on the halfway, when it was like 3:30 a.m., the bus stopped and it was at night. Every 10 seconds there were lightning, so I was like, should I be scared? Because we were stopping for a while. And then I got outside. It looks like the road is blocked because rocks like fell on the road. So there are so many buses stopping and waiting. I asked the driver how long it takes and he said 5 hours. It started with an adventure. Also, I'm the only tourist here. People are throwing rocks with their hands to open the road. That's crazy. So when I arrive to Puerto Maldonado, someone is gonna pick me up. Then we're gonna go to the lodge in the middle of the Amazon rainforest. And look at this dog.
10 seconds later.
River, Madre de Dios.
So this is where I'll stay.
How many days in Peru?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
What am I doing? Oh my god. The first thing I saw when I entered, like right before, first of all, there are so many holes. Like, okay, I knew that there will be bugs. At least there is a mosquito net. Okay, let me check the toilet. Oh, toilet looks pretty good. Pretty good. I mean, it's cute. But the first thing I saw is this. A big ass tarantula with legs off. Oh my god. I think after here, oh fuck. I think after here, I don't think I will be scared from bugs. So I'm staying here 2 nights. What's this? Okay. I don't want to touch anything. Also, there's a butterfly inside. I mean, butterfly is fine, I guess. Okay, I need to pee. They said the lunch is at 1. Okay, it's hot. I'm gonna have shower. I'm just like scared to be naked here because of all of the bugs. Like, I don't know, I want to be covered at all times, but I'm hot. I mean, it's gonna be the same thing. I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna be hot again, so maybe I shouldn't. But I don't know how I feel right now. I'm happy I did it. It just started though. I mean, it's crazy I'm here right now. Also, it's crazy I'm doing this alone too. Like, if I will be doing it with someone, I don't know. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay, that tarantula in front was crazy. But I'm gonna see more stuff like that, so I should be prepared. My Amazon outfit. I got this hat recently in Aguascalientes again. I bought so many stuff. Okay, I don't know what to do. There's no internet. It's almost lunchtime. Oh, it is lunchtime. Okay, let's go to lunch. It's so funny. The first people I met, I mean, there are like 10-15 people staying, I think, in this lodge, and the girls next to me were asking where I'm from, and then I was like, Turkey, and then they were like, biliyordum Türk olduğunu. So they're also Turkish. That's so funny. They live in Germany. It's crazy because like throughout my trip in Peru, I didn't hear single Turkish. But in Amazon, I met with like 3 girls from Turkey. Now we're gonna go to the lake. That's the plan for today. I'll see you in the lake. Got some ice cream. Peaceful. You can see the eye of the caiman, like it's like a small crocodile. Oh my god, we're getting so close. Okay, should I be scared? Back to the lodge? Yeah. Oh my god. There was a frog there and now it's not there. Oh my god. How am I gonna have shower? It's here now. I mean, it looks cute. What should I do? I feel like he's scared of me. But I need to have shower. Okay, I don't know what the fuck. Should I call someone? Or should I just take bucket and then... What if he jumps on me though? Okay. I showered with the frog. The frog is still in the same place. He's my pet now, so I'm not gonna let the owners know. I also feel like frogs eat bugs. I don't know. Is that correct knowledge? I'm gonna go have dinner. I'm curious what they have. The fish for the lunch was nice. Also, they have the electricity from 6 to 9, I think. So I'm just charging my phone and my camera battery. And it should be good to go. I don't need to bring my phone anyways with me because there's no internet. I'm liking it, maybe. It makes me socialize. Like right now I have nothing to do in the room, so I'm just gonna go to the common area.
Pero no es comida de la selva, ¿sí?
First meal for the dinner.
Es
Celery soup.
en Cusco es muy conocido.
Okay, now this is chicken with wine sauce, I think. Looking like this. And she has the vegetarian option. Looking like this. Okay, I thought these were potatoes because they taste like potatoes. But they're plantains, I think. Like a type of banana. I don't know, I'm confused. I'm in my mosquito nets. All around me. We're gonna wake up at 4... I think I'm gonna wake up at 4:15 and we're gonna meet in the main area at 4:30 to see parrots. So that's gonna be... Oh my god, I put so much mosquito spray, now my eyes are burning. Yes, I don't trust the mosquito net. This is how it looks like all around me. This is definitely an experience for me. Also, he was gonna come and get the frog for me, but then the frog was not there, so we couldn't find it. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, because to see the... Oh my god, the sounds. I guess you can hear them. There's so many sounds. Okay. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow for the parrots. Bye-bye. Good night.
There you go.
Do they come every day?
Every day.
They're cute.
So many of them are not here because of the clay.
Many of them are just there because they just want to have fun.
We just saw a sloth. It's kind of like, it's turning its back, so it's kind of hard to tell it's an animal.
From the top 2 meters below.
It's in this tree. It's cutie. Our guide said the sloth just chills in the tree for a week and only comes down once a week. Hola. Chocolate. Breakfast time, breakfast time. They have some fruits.
We go to the family business.
With the vibes. Ay, ay, ay.
And dos niños. Wow.
There are bats on the roof here. Oh my god. I don't know the name of this animal. I was not expecting to see it. I'm getting closer. Getting closer to the pig. I think it's safe. I'm not too sure though. What the fuck? Oh my god, he's coming towards me. What the fuck? Ah, Napion, don't come. Oh my god. Oh my god, babes. I was not expecting. This is so friendly. You're so friendly. Look at his nose. Oh my god. What the fuck? Now we're going to see an indigenous native family, I think. They live very close to the lodge we are staying. So we'll see. I don't know. I don't know how touristic it is. This is where we're walking. A different lemon type. Yes.
It's not that, that's what I said, it's not that sour like the regular ones, you know.
So the families use the water from the river and then they put them in these buckets and then they let the water sit there. The dirt sinks and then they can drink the water after or use it for laundry or for other stuff. So they use the river water.
Original population was near the Andes. So the trading between Incas and indigenous population was about that. You give me coca leaf, I give you silver and copper. And then stuff.
Yeah, and then to stop there again.
Ella quiere intentarlo. ¿Puede?
Vamos a escuchar.
Open up the community to the...
Okay.
Thank you, I was so bad.
And then showing you how to make fire. Hoy, Santa Rodrigo. Rodrigo, ven. Espera. Ya, dale.
Right. How did they catch this?
The dog fetched.
Oh my god.
No. Still alive.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Venenoso?
No.
Okay.
He wants you to put an apple on your head.
You have to shoot the lizard.
Oh, am I gonna shoot it? Where is it? Oh, there? Oh my god. I hope I don't.
So
They learn what they hear. Epa.
They just cut the tree, banana tree.
Hadi. You want to buy something? How much?
Indigenous family visit was very nice. I've never done something like that, so it was very unique for me. I was not sure if it's like something good to do or like ethical to do, because I just heard some people preferring not to do it. But I don't know, it didn't feel wrong to me. Like if you support them, like buying this type of stuff, I think it's good. I don't know, I didn't see anything bad about it. So we have almost 2 hours for lunch, and I don't know, but this lodge has a pool, so I will be swimming in the pool. It's going very nice. I really like it. I'm so happy I came here. Like it's full of activities. You don't really have time for yourself. This is the first time I have time for myself, I feel like. There's also a pig here.
Yeah.
This looks like Turkish food to me. This one is a potato, but it grows in jungle, they said. Looking like this. And the vegetarian option looks great too. Looking like this. Okay, my group changed and there are so many people that came here like only for one day. So we're in Monkey Island now, and on the way here we saw some people getting gold from the river illegally. I didn't know there's gold in the river, like little particles. Interesting. I'm hoping to see some monkeys. They gave us bananas. We're entering to the jungle now.
We don't find monkeys.
It doesn't bite?
No?
Nice. So all the monkeys in this island are rescued monkeys. They brought like 20 to 30 monkeys here. So they're friendly to humans. And generational information, if we see a turtle or a snake on the trail, it means we don't see a monkey. And that looks correct, we couldn't see one. We're going back now.
Yeah.
We're not kayaking, we're just staying here. The next activity will be walking in the jungle at night. So I think we're gonna see some insects. I don't have a bug fear anymore. I don't know, we'll see. Mushroom soup from the Amazon.
That's inside chef. It look like a catfish.
Yeah. My pant got fucking broken. I knew when it happened because I tried to get onto the boat and then I checked my ass. Today's my last day and we're gonna go ziplining and canopy tree walking. I'm excited for it. And after that we're gonna go fishing, piranha fishing, and then after lunch I'm gonna leave. I'm just sad for my pants. Anyways, I don't know what to wear now. I need to figure it out. We're gonna meet at 6:30. Also, I'm loving the bird sounds here. It's so peaceful. Okay, this is the new outfit. I hope I don't get bitten. I put the spray all over me. They also have ayahuasca here in the jungle. So they have a shaman. And if you want to try ayahuasca, which is I don't want to explain it wrong. It's a spiritual ceremony, I think. So you get high basically. I'm not doing it because I'm not bold enough. sweating so much. Also, this looks so sketchy. I just want to finish it right now. Yeah, good. Okay, shall I go? Yeah. Okay.
Bye bye.
We're here for fishing, but there's so many butterflies. They're so colorful. Oh my god. There's blue, green, yellow. That's crazy. So what is that?
What's the meat?
Chicken.
Chicken, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Enjoy that.
I lost my food. They said we need to be patient. I'm not. She catched one. Wow. Okay. It took only 5 minutes. Not bad. Was it the smoke?
Yeah, it's me.
Yes. Whew. I just had my last lunch. I had like 30 minutes to get ready, so I rushed. I think I'm almost ready. I'm just ending the vlog very quick. So I'm gonna like talk about how I got this lodge, because at first I was so confused how to find a lodge, etc. So I was basically just walking around in Cusco, and I entered to a random agency, and then they just brought one guy called Cristan, and he was so helpful. Like, he was explaining all of the details, and I was like, okay, I don't need to go to another agency, I'll just like book it through here. So if you want to book the same thing, I'll write down the agency name and Christian's number, because he was very helpful. You can ask all of your stupid questions to him. Other than that, for the lodge, I really like Rolin as a guide, so I think if you would want him as a guide, you can just let the lodge know, and then they might contact him for you, because all of the guides here, they work as freelance. I think that's how all of the lodges work. I'm not too sure, but that's how it works in this lodge. I also have some notes. Okay, temperature wise, temperature was not that bad. I think it's bearable. I mean, it gets hot and you get sweaty very much, but like, it's part of the Amazon experience. If there's a bug in your room, they take it out for you, so you don't need to stress that much. And for the groups, I'm just rushing so much right now. Also, it's raining right now. So my group changed once only. So I had this like Dutch couple with me today, and then I was with the Turkish girls before. So your group might change depending on how many people are in the lodge, but like, they still make you do those activities, but the days are changing for your activities. So basically, like, they did everything they promised for me, even more than that, I think, because I only stayed here for 2 nights, and you can also stay for 3 nights. I think 2 nights was good. If you have more time, you can do 3, but I think 2 nights was good for me. And I think they told me I wouldn't see the parrots, but I did. So I don't know. I'm happy I did it. It was a good experience. I'm much more comfortable in the room, and I really like the bird sounds at night. I don't know, it was nice. What I'll do now, I'm gonna take overnight bus to Arequipa, and I'll see you in Arequipa. I'm not sure what I'll do there. I guess there's a famous canyon there, so I'm gonna go out there. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. See you.